Hello guys, welcome back to Enable Website Design. In this video I will show you to add a YouTube channel link in Facebook page. Let me go here and show you which one is my channel link. This one, Enable Website Design. So this one is my YouTube channel link. If you want to know how we can see this one YouTube channel link, simply you can go here on YouTube, then YouTube Studio, and here you can click and find out your YouTube channel. So this one is also YouTube channel link, and you can also access channel link in this way. I can copy this one, and then this one is my Facebook profile. Let me go and switch into Facebook page. Then on the top left corner, click here, scroll down, click about, scroll down, websites and social links. Click here, add social link, select, let me select this one, YouTube. Here you can add a social link, as well as you can just add a username. That's also fine. So let me click on save button. Here you can see this one is another option for the social link. Okay, now I have added it here. So let me go and try to access this one. So that's working fine.